ओम अज्ञानातिमरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमः ओम विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामीति नामने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य सतारणे। टुगेदर एवरीवन। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त। लाउडर। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे राम राम राम। First of all, I like to welcome all of you to the Bhagavad class which is given by Srila Prabhupada. So before we start reciting Bhagavatam, Narayanam namaskrityam naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirye नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नेष्ट की। Before reciting the Srimad Bhagavatam, which is our very means of conquest, one should offer respectful obeisances unto the personality of Godhead, Narayan, unto Narayan Rishi, the supremest human being, unto Mother Saraswati, the goddess of learning, unto Srila Vyasadeva, the author. Haribol. By regular attendance in the classes on the Bhagavatam and by rendering of service to the pure devotee, all that is troublesome to the heart is almost completely destroyed. And loving service unto the personality of Godhead, who is praised with the transcendental songs, is established in an irrevocable fact. Devotee is something he has to think over. I will leave that there. That is, all that is troublesome to the heart, other than Krishna consciousness, is troublesome to the heart, is almost completely destroyed. If we regularly attend Bhagavad class, recite Bhagavad regularly, so this will be the effect of the Bhagavad. The Srila Sutta Goswami is instructing the sages in Naimisharanya. And loving service unto the personality of Godhead. Our only business is to serve Krishna. We got these human bodies. Doesn't matter white, black, brown, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, man, woman, doesn't matter. Our only business is to serve Krishna. Because service to Krishna can be performed on this human form. There are 8,400,000 different species of life. It is mentioned, ahar nidra bhayametunacha सामान्य वेतात पशुभि नरानाम धर्मो हितेशा अधिको विशेषा धर्मे नाहीना पशुभि समाना. Eating, sleeping, mating, defending. These four things are same between man and animal. We eat, animal eat. We sleep, animal sleep. We mate, animal mate. We defend, animal. What is the difference? Only difference is dharma hitesha. What is dharma? Dharma means the laws of God. Human being can follow the laws of God. We were forgetful of this. But by the mercy of Krishna, He sent His pure devotee Prabhupada. He induced us to follow the laws of God. This was His purity and His greatness that the whole world is trying to follow the laws of God. With the laws of God, dharme nahina pashuve samanam. We are just like 2 legs animal. Animal has 4 legs, then we have 2 legs if we are not following the dharma. So it's very important. And loving service unto the personality of Godhead. This is our business. Service to Krishna. Personality of Godhead is Krishna. Krishna should be served only. We should respect everyone. All the demigods should be respected. But service should be rendered only to Krishna. Because Krishna is the cause of all causes. As it is mentioned by Brahmaji, by testing Krishna. He couldn't recognize the little boy praying with his boyfriends, tending the calves. Who is this? He cannot be God. He stole all the calves and all the boyfriends of Krishna and left Krishna alone. All powerful personality of God. What she did, he expanded himself in all those forms as it is no difference. For 1 year this was going on. After 1 year when Brahmaji came, saw same, they are there. And where he has hidden them, they are there. Then he understood, oh, I committed a blunder. Then he appeared with a tear in his eyes, 4 heads, Brahma, please forgive me. Then he recited the prayers called Brahma Samhita. What is he saying? Ishvaraha Parama Krishna Satchit Ananda Vigraha. Controller is only Krishna. Me, you, he, she, we are not the controller. We try to control, but we forget that I am under the control of Krishna. Those who try to control this material world or anything of this material world is baffled in the end. Krishna is the supreme controller, as it is mentioned by the Brahma. Anadhi, he has no beginning. Adi is the beginning of everyone. Sarva Karan Karanam, cause of all causes. So, Krishna should be worshipped throughout the whole world. Then the only world can be peaceful and happy. Otherwise, we will be in pieces. We are already in pieces, suffering so many mental disturbance we have. Because we are busy in eating, sleeping, mating and defending. We are not doing our real business. So, further it is mentioned, and loving service unto the personality of Godhead, who is praised with the transcendental songs, is established an irrevocable fact. Sut Goswami to the sages in Naimisharanya. So devotees, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Bhagavatam, 10th canto, chapter 63, verse 40. This is a chapter, Lord Krishna's fight with Banasur. You know, Asuras, this material world is full of Asuras. Those who are not devotees, they are Asuras. Doesn't matter who he, maybe me, you, he, she. So Banasur is a devotee of Shiva and he is fighting with Krishna. But who can fight with Krishna? Nobody can fight with Krishna. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead and all-powerful personality of Godhead. We should all be very thankful to Srila Prabhupada. He has given us, there's so many fake gods in this material world, so many, not in India. Prabhupada used to say, India is expert in producing gods every week. As America is expert producing automobiles every week, new automobile, India is expert in producing gods. Nobody is God. Those who say, I am God, he is a dog. Only Krishna is God. And Prabhupada has proved and the whole world has understood. Now we need to follow Krishna very seriously and sincerely. This text 40, today's verse. So please repeat word by word. Yat, of whom, Maya, by the illusory energy, Mohita, bewildered, Dhiya, their intelligence, Putra, with regard to children, Dhara, wife, Griha, home, Adishu, and so on. Unvajanti, they rise to the surface. Nimajanti, they become submerged. Prashaktaha, fully entangled. Vrijina, of misery. Unaway in the ocean. Yanmaya mohita dhiya putra dhara grihadishu unvajanti nimajanti prashakta brijnaname yanmaya mohita dhiya Putradhara grihadishu Unmajanti nimajanti Prashakta vijananave Mataji's translation, please all of you repeat. Their intelligence bewildered. Why your Maya? Fully attached to children, wife, home, and so on. Persons immersed in the ocean of material misery sometimes rise to the surface and sometimes sink down. Very important. Those who are not devotee, they are asuras. Devotees means they fully surrender unto the lotus feet of Krishna. Their business is only to cultivate Krishna consciousness. They are free from Maya. One who is controlled by Maya, it means he is not a devotee. He is very unfortunate one who is controlled by Maya. Generally, more or less, we are all controlled by Maya. So what we have to do? By the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we have to come to the shelter of Krishna. How one can get rid of Maya? It's mentioned, Krishna Surya Sam, Maya hai andhakar. Jahan Krishna tahan nahi, Maya re adhikar. Lord Sri Krishna is like a powerful sun. Now sun is there in the sky, there is no dark anywhere. When sun sets everywhere there is. Dark is there now also, but in the presence of sun, darkness has no meaning, no darkness. So if we are not Krishna conscious, then we are in dark, we are in Maya. So one thing by the mercy of Prabhupada we should remember, one day, me, you, he, she, we are all going to sit in one test. What is that test? Departing from this material world. That time nobody is going to help me. My brother, my sister, if I have wife, husband, no, nobody. Only Krishna can help that time. So that's why it's very, very important to come to the shelter of Krishna. And we forget, in the chapter 13, verse 9, Lord Sri Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita, Janma mritu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanudarshanam. One should see birth, death, old age, disease. Why Lord is asking to see them? Because they are coming for everyone. And how we can be saved ourselves? How we can save from birth, death, old age, disease? Only by the mercy of Krishna. Krishna himself. Krishna, he is the well-wisher of Sohardam Sarvabhutanam. He is the well-wisher of everyone. I am my own enemy, but Krishna is my well-wisher. Here in Vrindavan, I was Prabhupada's servant, and Prabhupada wanted me to go back to my service. I said, Prabhupada, if you ask my choice is to serve you personally. He said, if it's important, I can order you. Prabhupada, if you order me, then I have to follow. Then he was pleased. I was serving by his mercy in African countries, in Kenya. I went to Tanzania and Zambia and Zimbabwe, other countries, traveled. So Prabhupada's what see this mercy. He mentioned me that time here in Vrindavan in his room. He said, you see these Africans, because of their body color, they are neglected by others. If you preach them, Krishna will be very pleased. See the mercy of a pure devotee. For a pure devotee, everyone is same. Everyone is on the soul platform. We make differences because my intelligence is clouded. I cannot think properly. This is mine, this is my friend, this is my enemy, I don't like him, I like him. This is all on the bodily platform. I have seen it's Krishna's mercy that Radharani's mercy, Gaur-Nitai's mercy, that they gave me personal service of Krishna. And I saw Prabhupada very closely. I will say this, such a great soul is very rare. Very rare. And before, many you have only might have met Krishna, but by Prabhupada's mercy, when Prabhupada was in Vrindavan, before going to US, I was in Vrindavan. How many? 65 years back. I have ran away from my home and came to Vrindavan. But I was not so fortunate to meet Prabhupada that time. I was here with one Bhogi Yogi. I couldn't recognize him. I ran away with him. When I came in his ashram in Vrindavan, he had a girlfriend. So I said, what is this, These yogis, the so-called yogis, they're keeping the girlfriend. And those who were there in the ashram, there was an elderly man. I said, Swamiji is with the girls inside. Then what? He is also supporting him. His followers also supporting him. Then my parents came and I was saved from that bhogi yogi. They took me back. I didn't want to go back. They took me back. So Prabhupada is a transcendental personality. Prabhupada is, some devotee said he is pure devotee. I said he is not pure. Who's he? He is more than pure. He spread this purity all over. Those who never heard the name of Krishna, they became the devotee. It's Prabhupada. Prabhupada, transcendental personality, many you have heard of him. By Krishna's grace, I have his personal association. Here in Vrindavan, in Bombay, in Mayapur, in Gujarat, different places, I have his personal. I saw him very closely, devotees. Many times I was chastised by him. I wish he could have chastised me for the rest of my life. Such a great soul is very rare, very rare. So we have Prabhupada. My humble prayers to all of you with folded hands. Follow Prabhupada strictly. Don't follow your whims. Because me, you, he, she, we are going to sit in one test, then that time nobody can help me. Nobody can help you or anybody. Only Krishna can help. But if I haven't become a devotee of Krishna, if I am follower of my materialistic mind, my senses, then how Krishna will help me? My mind, my senses cannot help me. They will drag down me to the hell. And I have seen Prabhupada was the well-wisher of the whole world. He wanted whole world to return back home. Read his books. See what he's saying. He wanted everyone to go back home. This material world is not our home. We should not forget this. Sooner or later, me, you, he, she, we shall be kicked out of here. And if we are not prepared for that moment, what is going to happen? Moment is fully Krishna conscious. I never forget Krishna. I only remember Krishna. Then only Krishna can help me that time. So, it's mentioned their intelligence is bewildered by your Maya. Asuras means they become so powerful. But they think, no, we can do any damn thing. But they cannot. Krishna is the supreme person. He is the all-powerful personality of Godhead. Fully attached to children, wife, home, and so on. This is our general position. We attach to children, wife, home, and sons, and so on. We should not be attached to. Though attachment is very powerful. But by the mercy of pure devotees, Prabhupada, we can become detached. It is possible to become detached. Like Lord Chaitanya, who is non-different from Krishna. Only difference is Krishna in the role of mood of Radharani. What Krishna is saying, what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, na dhanam na janam na sundarim, kavitam ba jagadish kame, mam janmani janmani ishvare, bhavatad bhaktit ahait vitoi. O Almighty Lord, I have no desire to accumulate wealth. Nor do I desire beautiful woman. Nor do I want any number of followers. Nor do I want to become a big orator. Not what you want. I only want your causeless devotional service. No cause. Causeless devotional service, birth after birth. One devotee said that, what do you mean by birth after birth? I asked the question to this devotee, you think you are going to go back home this lifetime? To go back home. Prabhupada said, I have founded this mission, even if one returns back home, my mission is successful. So rare, so rare. We should not take it easy. Oh, yeah, we are going to go back. No. We have to be fully dedicated to Guru Gaurang and Krishna. Totally surrender. And this material world, as it is mentioned, is not a place for a gentleman to live. One who wants to be Prabhupada has mentioned this. One who wants to be a gentleman, he cannot live in this material world. because we are all criminals in different degrees, full of crimes, full of dirty mentality. And Prabhupada used to say, can you imagine if you are put into a prison where are criminals? Sometimes criminals kill each other. In India happens. In the prisons, fight among the criminals. One criminal has killed other criminal in the prison. They are put in the prison. Still they cannot give up the criminalities. So we are criminals there. And now we have to return to our real home. And we have to qualify for that. That is our only business by the mercy of Prabhupada. What I have learned, I am speaking to you. Prabhupada was not from this material world. He came from the spiritual world. Once, whenever Prabhupada used to be in a mood, he used to reveal his heart. Once he revealed his heart, that Krishna asked me, go and preach. He said, no, I don't want to go in such a horrible place. He said, no, you go, I will make all arrangements. So I came, so Krishna made all the arrangements. See, he went to New York with $7. You can preach in America with $7. Huh? No friends, practically no money, but Krishna was with him. And how he started preaching? He started preaching from a park, Tompkins Square Park. He would stand underneath the tree and chant, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare. Hare Rama. Prabhupada's voice was so potent. Who was sitting around there? Tompkins Square Park. Hippies, boys and girls. Who are hippies? No bathing, dirty cloth, staying like animals. I have seen once one group of hippies were there in Montreal Rath Yatra. 5-10 hippies were sitting. Dirty, unclean, boys and girls. Smell was coming from them. And Prabhupada's voice was so potent, through the ear he went inside and then came close. Then Prabhupada gave the lecture, change their hearts. See the potency of Prabhupada. So potent Prabhupada. Their hearts were changed. They said, Swamiji, what do you want to do? What do you want us to do? I want you to become devotee. How? 4 regulatory principles. Their parents never thought of those principles. No meat eating. No illicit sex. No gambling. No intoxication. Western world is full of these things. And Prabhupada's potency, they started following. Bruce Schaff, first one to join. Bruce Schaff Brahmanand, he told me, he is the first one to join Krishna consciousness. Keith Ham, Keithanand, he was the first one to be initiated. Chuck Burnett, Achyutanand, the first one to join. Then they started joining, open up in San Francisco, go to different places. See Prabhupada's potency. We should not think that Prabhupada is not here. He is here. Like we see Krishna Balaram is here in the forms. Gaunita is there. Lalita Vishaka Radha Shamsundar. Same way Prabhupada is also sitting there. We should not think he is there. Because there is one song in Gujarati language. A writer is a devotee of Krishna. He is saying, Kahe Pritam Tame Odkho Indane Harina Jan Hari Jeva. He's saying you try to understand your pure devotees. Those who are devotees are Krishna, they are like Krishna. They are not Krishna, but like Krishna. They have same potency, they can change the hearts of others. And Prabhupada was like Krishna. He changed the hearts of so many all over the world. So, we need to follow Prabhupada very seriously and sincerely. My mind may like or may not like. My mind will not like. You know, when my mind will come into senses, when Yamdutas will come in, that don't scare me. But then nothing can happen. If I come to the shelter of Krishna by the mercy of Prabhupada, become Krishna conscious, then in the end no fear. I will become fearless. Like Srila Prabhupada's name, Abhay. Abhay means no fearless. Abhay Charnar Binda Bhakti Vedanta. Prabhupada was fearless. Speaking fearlessly in America. Once he was speaking there in America, he said, your civilization is a civilization of cats and dogs. Many gods have said, how you say this? He proved. In America, mother's name is given, not father's name. This is not in India. So Prabhupada changed. Americans started this movement from America. First he wanted to go to Trinidad. I was in Trinidad. They told me, the letters, showed Prabhupada's letter, he wrote letter. First he wanted to go there, but then he thought, no, let's go to US. Came to US with great difficulty. Sumati Maharaj helped him and established this beautiful mission to save us from going back to hell. This mission is back home, back to Godhead. Only this mission can take us back home, back to Godhead. All other are bewildered. There are so many missions in India also, So many preachers, what they are doing. So many scandals are there. 2 preachers in India. One has, how many? 3 lakh, kitna million hua? 30 millions. Other has 40 million followers. They're both in the prison. Both in the prison. This is India's, Prabhupada, stayed for a little time. Within 10 years, 11 years, he changed the whole world. And Prabhupada needed, if he could have stayed 10 years more, whole world would have become fully Krishna conscious. But we were not so fortunate. So, Srila Sridhar Swami explains that rising in the ocean of misery indicates elevation to the higher species, such as demigods, and that being submerged refers to the degradation to lower species. Even going to the heavenly planet, Shine Pune Amartaloke Vishanti. After going to the heavenly planet, when our punya, pious credit is finished, again Mritulok. Prabhupada said, no going to the heaven, only return back home, back to Godhead. See the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. He made the magazine, back to Godhead. Godhead is Krishna, and his abode is Gaulok Vrindavan. This Vrindavan is non-different also from Gaulok Vrindavan. When Krishna wanted to come here, he spoke to Radharani that I am going. And you also come. He said, no, I don't want to leave Vrindavan. So for the pleasure of Radharani, Krishna brought Vrindavan. This is Vrindavan, that Vrindavan, no difference. Difference there in our eyes. My eyes are materialistic. I cannot see the transcendental quality of Vrindavan. I will tell you one happening. There was one singer, great singer. His name was Tansen. At that time, Emperor Akbar was ruling India. So he sang before him, and Akbar was very much impressed. Oh, you're such a great singer. He said, who's your guru? Who's your teacher? I like to see him. He said, I have to ask him. His teacher was Haridas, not our Haridas, but there was another Haridas here in Vrindavan. He was also pure devotee. He said, I have to ask my guru. He came and asked his guru that King Akbar wants to see you. Okay, bring him. So he brought him. He saw, he was very impressed. He said, please give me some service. What can I do? He said, no, everything is okay. I don't require. No, please, please. He said, okay, there is one ghat, bathing ghat in Yamuna. One stair is broken. Fix up that stair. Akbar started thinking, I am such a big king. And what service he is giving me? Fixing up the ghat of Vrindavan. Then he went to see the ghat. So he was shown the original Vrindavan that was made with the jewels, and he said, my 3 kingdom cannot fix this ghat. What to speak of me, This Vrindavan is not different from Gaulok Vrindavan. By staying here, we don't have to gratify senses. We don't have to do any hanky-panky thing. We have to cultivate Krishna consciousness only. It's mentioned, it was mentioned by one of our devotee, my god brother, what is his name? I'm forgetting the name. He mentioned, if we commit offense outside, by coming to the dham, we neutralize those offenses. But if we commit offenses in Vrindavan, they become Vajraleb. They cannot be neutralized. We have to be very, very careful while staying in Vrindavan. Here, not to gratify the senses, not to do any hanky-panky thing, only cultivate Krishna consciousness. This is the best place to cultivate Krishna consciousness. This Vrindavan, not different from Gaur Vrindavan, but my senses are not pure. I am impure. That's why I cannot see with polluted senses, polluted eyes, this Vrindavan. I can see the Gaulok Vrindavan when I become fully pure. How I can become pure? As it is mentioned by Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhupada. Anna vilashata shunnam gyan karmadi inavratam anukullena krishnanu shilnam bhaktir uttama. Material desire must be zero. No more material desire. Our great Acharya Rupa Goswami. And who is Rupa Goswami? He was the finance minister in the kingdom of Nawab Hussain Shah. Who is Sanatana Goswami? He was the prime minister. When they saw Supreme Lord, they gave up prime ministership and finance ministership. Srila Dabir Khas Sakar Malik, he resigned first, took his wealth, distributed everything. Then Sanatana Goswami, Dabir Khas was put into, Sakar Malik, put into the jail, and then he gave that 10,000 gold coins to the jail keeper and got out of the jail. They were so great personality. By meeting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they gave up everything. Similarly, so many devotees are in our ISKCON. They are coming from very, very rich families, very royal families, by meeting Prabhupada. What is riches and royal of this material world? It's all temporary. Materially speaking, a person is very, very rich, very, very powerful. So many people. Just like gives the example of Indira Gandhi. 10,000 security people for the Prime Minister. 10,000 or more or less, something like that. But she was not Krishna conscious. Her security man killed her. We have no protection in this material world. We are only protected if Krishna protects. Rakhe Krishna, mare Krishna rakhe ke. So we have to come to the shelter of Krishna so that we stay protected. And how we can stay protected? If I become fully Krishna conscious. No more material desire. Only thinking of Krishna, how I can serve Krishna, how I can think of Krishna all the time, how I can become a good instrument in the hands of Krishna like Prabhupada. I was personal servant of Srila Prabhupada. Always Krishna conscious. There was no time when Prabhupada was not Krishna conscious. All the time. I remember one happening here in Vrindavan, Prabhupada's room. One lady, rich lady from Delhi has come to see Prabhupada. She was sitting there and Prabhupada sitting on his desk in his room, where his bed is lying now. And I was also there. And this woman said, Swamiji, my daughter is not getting married. Can you bless me so that I can get my daughter married? Prabhupada was furious. I am here to get your daughter married? She was afraid. People come for the material things. Prabhupada didn't care, she is rich. Prabhupada scolded her like anything. So, Vrindavan means Krishna conscious. We only want Krishna, we don't want anything else. Mare Krishna, Rakhe Krishna, Mare ke. We have to come to the shelter of Krishna. If Krishna is our protector, then no fear. And if Krishna is not protecting us, Indira Gandhi was protected by 10,000 security men. Krishna's protection was not there. Such a big post in the country. She was not protected. So devotees, by the mercy of Prabhupada, we need the protection of Krishna. And I say to all of you, emphatically, by the mercy of Prabhupada, we can get the shelter of Krishna. We can. Not without His mercy. If I just bypass Prabhupada and come to my mental plane, whatever I think is right, no. Whatever Prabhupada was thinking, whatever Prabhupada said, that is right. Other than that is all wrong. Sometimes I have noticed this in the association of Prabhupada. Devotee will keep long hair. Prabhupada will say, you are reviving your old habits. Why you are long hair? We are known to be shaven heads. So, Maya is very, very powerful. We immediately, we can come to the, influence of Maya. But if you catch hold of Srila Prabhupada's lotus feet and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, then Maya cannot do anything. Prabhupada wrote me a letter, 1974. I feel shy, but Prabhupada has written in that. So beautiful. His protection. Wherever I went, I was in Africa. Prabhupada sent me, gave his blessing. And there is one Mataji came and she said, if you get marry my daughter, you will be very happy in your life. I said, I haven't seen any happy householder in my life. How your daughter can make me happy? She will like anything. And then she wanted to show me the photos of her daughter in Kenya. So she had a granddaughter, grown up, and grandson, both. So they were showing me the photos, and group photos, her photo was there also. They were calling her Gucci. Her nickname was Gucci Auntie. They would show Gucci Auntie, Gucci Auntie. She was standing behind the elderly lady. So I recognized, next photo, I said, Gucci Auntie. When I call her Gucci Auntie, he said, he's calling Auntie, he's not going to get marry her. Krishna saved, Prabhupada saved. And when I came to Prabhupada's service, she wrote letter to Prabhupada. And so Prabhupada sent him back. So many things are happening here in Africa. Prabhupada, I spoke to Prabhupada, I said, Prabhupada, this Mataji wants me to get her daughter married to me. I said, which one? Elder one? Don't marry her. She's already married several times. I know Prabhupada is a younger one. So then Prabhupada said, get married. I said, Prabhupada, by your mercy, I am brahmachari. So I want to die as a brahmachari. I said, okay, you take sannyas then. So Prabhupada's mercy, all glorious to Srila Prabhupada. So many things are happening. But if Prabhupada is your protector, there's nothing to worry. And if Prabhupada is not protecting you, you may not be worried now. Later on, you have to be worried very much. When Yamadutas will come, scold you, and take you from your body and give you the body which is punishable by the Yamadutas. Very horrible, very horrible. And Prabhupada, his name was Abhaya. Abhaya means he was not afraid of anyone. Prabhupada was not afraid of anyone because he was with Krishna. Krishna was with him all the time. I have seen this. I have noticed this. Prabhupada's schooling, I will tell you one. In Mayapur, I was Prabhupada's servant and upstairs quarter Prabhupada's. There, Prabhupada was sitting, pressing the bell, buzzer. I said, Prabhupada, you need anything? See, this one devotee was supposed to be a guard outside. Where is he? I went outside. He was not there. The Prabhupada is not there. Go and find out, where is he? I went in downstairs, he was walking. I said, Prabhupada is calling you. As soon as me and him entered Prabhupada's room, Prabhupada said, where were you? When Prabhupada said, where were you? He started shivering. Like this. I haven't done anything. I also started shivering. So Prabhupada's fear was so fearful. I also started shivering. You rascal, you were supposed to stay outside. Why you were not doing your duty? He couldn't utter words. I met him once in New York. I said, you remember? He said, I can't forget this. Prabhupada is so powerful because purity is a force. Prabhupada, pure devotee, is calling Bhasyan. So much to learn from Srila Prabhupada. And he is saying, indicates elevation to higher species such as demigods, and that being submerged refers to degradation to lower species. Even to immovable forms of life such as trees, and stated in the Vayu Purana, Vipar Yayas Cha Bhavati Brahmvata Stavarata Vayo. The living being relates between the position of Brahma and that of an unmoving creature. Srila Jiva Goswami points out that Shiva, having glorified the Lord, now pursues his original intention of securing the Lord's grace for Banasur. See, Banasur was a devotee of Shiva. Asura means they serve the demigods. Like Hiranyakashipu was devotee of Brahma. But those who are devotees, real devotees, they only serve Krishna. For ulterior motives, they go to the demigods, and we should only go to Krishna. Even it is mentioned, Akama sarva kamo bha moksha kami kama udaradi tibrena bhakti yogena yayate purusham param. If you have no desire, you have a desire, if you want something, don't want anything, you should, in all respect, one should serve Krishna. Only worship Krishna. Only serve Krishna. Krishna is our savior. Only by the mercy of Krishna we can be saved. Nobody else can save us. Lord Shiva couldn't save the Banasur. He is begging. He is my devotee. He is begging from Krishna, Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva, Brahma, they are chief of demigods, but they cannot protect you from the inevitable death, from going to the cycle of birth and death. Only Krishna. Ekala Ishwar Krishna Ar Savavratya. Supreme Personality of God, that is Krishna, everyone else is his devotee. we should only worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It was not there in India also. People, you go in our house also, Ram is there, Krishna is there, Ganpati is there, Shiva is there, all the demigods there, Durga is there. Only Krishna. Respects everyone, all the demigods, but worship Krishna. And in one prayers by Lord Shiva, he is saying, Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jatare shainam, iha sansare, bahudustare, kripai pare, pahi murare, bhaj govindam, govindam bhajamurmate. He is saying, but you are taking birth again and again, punarapi jananam, dying again and again, coming in the womb of your mother again and again. This is the bad effect of this material world. Now, you should have the mercy of Krishna. Kripai pare pahi murare, who has killed the demon Mura. Krishna's name is Murari. I will say Krishna Murari, and all of you will say Girvardhari. I will say Girvardhari and you will say Krishna Murari. Krishna Murari, Girvardhari, Girvardhari. Krishna lifted Govardhan, he look and do this. Nobody can. For 7 days on this finger small. Govind Jai Jai, Gopal Jai Jai, Krishna Murari, Girvardhari. So, Lord Shiva, very powerful, but he is also servant of Krishna. Brahmaji is also servant of... They also tested Krishna. They were also bewildered. Everybody, Brahm Vimohan Leela is in the Bhagavatam, everybody knows that. Brahmaji was bewildered by seeing Krishna enjoying with his boyfriends, he taking foods. Sometimes his boyfriends will give remnant from it taken by them. Krishna will eat. He is eating the remnants from his friends, he is not God. Then he tested, then he felt very sorry that what I did, I made a great mistake. Then he prayed, Ishvaraha Parama Krishna, Satchit Ananda Vigraha, Anadhir Adhir Govinda, Sarvakaran Karanam. Krishna is the only controller. Everybody else is a servant. Ishvara, Parama Krishna, Supreme Controller is Krishna, and he has no beginning, he is the beginning of everyone, and he is the cause of all causes. Lord Shiva is saying. So, by Prabhupada's mercy, we got Krishna. Now we should worship Krishna from our whole heart, with love and devotion. What is the problem in the material world? People are not devotee of Krishna. When there is no devotion, there is no emotion. No devotion, no emotion. Then only commotion. Then there will be no promotion to the spiritual world. People are lacking. Prabhupada gave us. Why you people are suffering? Because you are not devotee of Krishna. Come to the shelter of Krishna. Those who became devotee of Krishna wholeheartedly, they felt great. So we should all come to the shelter of Krishna wholeheartedly, forget everything of this material world. And further reading, having glorified the Lord, now pursues his original intention of securing Lord's grace for Banasur. Thus in this and the following 4 verses, Lord Shiva instructs Bana on his actual position in relation to the Lord. Shiva's appeal to the Lord for compassion toward Bana appears in text 45. So, Banasur wanted to fight with Krishna, but then Krishna showed his mercy to him also. Krishna is very, very kind, very merciful, all merciful personality of Godhead. Krishna, we should remember him, worship him, think of him. Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita, मनमना व मद्भक्तो मध्यादि माम नमस्करु मामे वेशसि युक्तावे मत मानम मत परायणा. Always think of me. Become my devotee. Come to my shelter and attain me. Thank you very much, and all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki. All glories to Sambal devotees. All glories to Sambal devotees. All glories to Shri Guru and Gauranga. And anybody has any question? No question. Huh? Any question? No question. Thank you. Raghunandan?